So my name is Ravi, and he's my brother Bhupati, and I work for a company in Wipro, and the patient name is Malika, and she's my sister. So the recent last Wednesday, right? My sister had a problem, and around 4 o'clock in the evening, she wanted to brush her teeth, and we were wondering what's happening. So when we checked the web, and it showed that it may be due to the dialysis. Anyway, Thursday was our session, so we thought we'll bring her on Thursday. So Thursday we brought for a dialysis around 7 o'clock, and 10 o'clock we wanted to meet the Dr. Manohar. So by the time within 2 hours, I think she went into a drowsiness, and suddenly they called Dr. Srikanth to the dialysis center, and he took a decision looking at her rate, stopped the dialysis immediately, and he suggested to move her to the ICU immediately. So by the time Manohar also came, Manohar also suggested few tests, and then he also suggested to go for a CT scan. Okay. So by the time we moved her to the ICU, and with the help of Dr. Srikanth, right? So we got Dr. Karthikeyan, so who was a neurosurgeon, right? So he saw the CT scan, and he suggested a surgery. But before we met him, he suggested surgery to Srikanth. In fact, I was not in favor of going for a surgery. Okay, that's what I was discussing with the doctor, saying that doctor, at this stage, right, I don't want to go for a surgery, right? So we met Karthikeyan the same day. Evening he came here and he explained all the pros and cons. And the one appreciative thing, right? I think he was very open. So he said it's your decision, and if you don't do it, this is the pros, and if you don't do it, this will be the cons, right? So pros and cons is explained, and you will not believe. I think we took a decision in 5 minutes. Okay, so just we went outside, and we just came back and said, we discussed with our family members. We said, let's go for a surgery. So the hospital staff was quick enough to arrange everything, right? It was around 8 o'clock. So they arranged, the surgery was scheduled at the next day, right? So that was Thursday she came, Friday was the early morning was the surgery. And the hospital Koshis was able to arrange quickly, right? It was 8:30 in the night when he took decision, right? So they were able to mobilize all the resources for the surgery, and next day morning the surgery was done, and the patient was okay. So we were wondering how she was responsive and she was able to talk, and within the next couple of days it was going up and down, and with the help of Dr. Srikanth and Dr. Chennamma, right? I think they're 2 days back, that is last Thursday, right? So I got a call saying that she had a PITS, and there is a block in the lungs, right? And she didn't even wait for the specialist to come and suggest, right? And she took a decision, and she took our consent, saying that for this I'm going to do it and not wait for the specialist to come, right? She did it. I feel it is, she saved her actually. If you ask me, she saved her life. Because there was a block in the lungs, right? So anything could have happened to her. So with God's grace and with all the hospital staff support and Dr. Srikanth and Dr. Chennamma, right? I think today we are very happy, and we are able to see that she is active. Yeah. So Dr. Karthikeyan, right?
Next month, good doctor.
Duty doctor, right? So one more doctor was there. So they were all very helpful. And Dr. Manohar is another person, right? And since we know him for last 7 years, right? And he told Ravi, I would have not suggested a surgery if I don't know, right? I know this is recoverable. That's what I suggested. I know there are complications, but that those are all recoverable, and it can be. We can cure it, so that's not a problem. But definitely we need to take care of her for some time. I think otherwise she will be alright. So that's what is the thing. Today, at least we are happy. At least we are moving her to the ward. Right? 2 days back, if you had asked me, the whole my family was so much emotion, and we don't know what's going to happen to her. But Dr. Chennamma, right? So she's the one, very cool, composed, and she said, nothing to worry. This is what has happened. Don't worry. I have been trained. We are trained. All our ICU doctors are trained to take care of patient. So that was the great thing about Dr. Chennamma and Srikanth, right? Who have been very cooperative. They have been very supportive.
I'm Dr. Srikanth, working in Koshish ICU. On Thursday morning, I got a call from emergency dialysis room stating that patient is very disoriented and not cooperating well for the dialysis. I rushed to the dialysis and saw that patient was very disoriented, and I suggested them to shift to the ICU for the further management. Post to the shifting, I had a look with all the GCS monitoring, and I found that she was disoriented, and we went for a CT scan. CT scan showed there was a bleed over the brain, right side bleed over the brain. So I took a neurosurgeon opinion and sent for a blood test, and we decided to have a surgery, craniotomy. So I even counseled same to the attenders. Followed to that, they also took some time in view of like she is CKD, all emotion factors, all the things they should balance the things. We thoroughly explained what are the consequences if you do, if you don't do. So later they decided to go for a surgery. So Dr. Karthikeyan, neurosurgeon, went with the surgery, craniotomy. Then post to the surgery, she is improving well as we expected, and even day to day the improvement was seen. Repeated scans were done, and we saw there is a significant change in whatever the bleed was there. There was a midline shift; it has come down from 8 to 5.4, 5.4 to 3.6. Right now, patient is fully conscious oriented, and orally she is tolerating well. We are doing a maintaining dialysis as well as she is known CKD. So overall, she is much improved. She is much better now.